Another thing you can do, I'm going to highlight those. You'll see we've looked at most of these, greater than, less than, between, etc. You can see we've got an option of text that contains, date occurring, and duplicate values. There's also a whole bunch of top and bottom rules, so you can highlight the top 10 items, top 10%, bottom, etc. You can also highlight the above average. So when I click on above average, it asks for what color you're going to use. I'm going to say, so we're happy with the red because this is operating expenses to revenue, so we want to, these are bad. When I say OK, what Excel has done is looked at those cells, got an average, and then anything that's above averaged is colored. So if, for example, this number changes to 29%, you'll see it adjusts the average and then highlights those. Just looking here, so we've looked at the top and bottom rules. If you want, there's always a more rules option, so you can click on it, and this goes through the actual tool where you can now choose a whole selection of items.